Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a self-care day through taking care of some plants around the house. I must have like 40 plants now, but here's like a select like 30 or so. Some are like new plants that I was gifted recently, and some are cuttings of plants that I was gifted recently. A friend in the neighborhood gave me some new plants, and here's just a maintenance day. Sometimes you can like give back to yourself through maintaining your house and maintaining things around the house, and maintaining my plants definitely is a self-care kind of thing for me. It makes me feel like I am pouring love into something, and I love these plants, so it's like giving back to myself. I don't know if that sounds selfish or whatever, but through taking care of my plants, I feel like I'm taking care of myself. All these plants are located throughout the house. They're not all by this window. I put them all by the window for the purposes of this video, to be able to mass maintain everything at once. And also I'm trying to do this more often, like bringing all the plants together, water them all in one place, because if I have to mop, because some of the pots have like open holes at the bottom, I can just mop one place instead of everywhere. Yeah, my dog is in this video for a lot of the video. That is Oscar. He is nosy, to say the very least. He's like smelling all the plants and getting in my way. But if you have pets in the house, just be mindful if you have any tropical plants or plants at all that like are toxic for dogs, like the peace lily to my left in the video is actually toxic to dogs. Thankfully, he doesn't really bite plants at all. And also the peace lily is right by my desk, so if he's ever like around it, I'd be there, so I'd see. But just be mindful of that if you have pets that roam around the house on their own and are more inclined to eat plants. So here I'm just pruning some of the leaves of the peace lily that have started to brown and yellow. Let me know what kind of plants you have at home. Leave me down in the comments if you've had plants, if you've had success with them. Surprisingly, people say like a good starter plant is succulents, and my first couple small succulents that you can get from like CVS, like I killed. And I actually do better with tropical plants. Here you see me shaking the plant. This is like, I'll put some info about this below, but shaking your plants supposedly make them sturdier. Some people, some plant activists out there think you shouldn't shake your plants, but I do, because there's a lot of recommendations out there too saying that you should do it. So I found that my plants benefit from it. I don't see a huge difference than not shaking them, but a couple of them have gotten much stronger since I started doing it, so I've just started doing it to all of them. So here I continue to prune the leaves, and I'm also spraying the leaves with water and cleaning them off with a paper towel. This removes any dust that may have collected on them throughout the week. I tend to do this every week to keep the leaves not only aesthetically pleasing, but it's actually really good for the leaf itself. It allows them to photosynthesize better, and allow them, just to grow, blossom, be in their best condition possible. And the sunlight they do get, make sure they're really like taking it in. Um, just keeps them healthy. So I try to keep them clean because in turn I'm keeping them healthy. So I move on to do the same things to pretty much every plant. I'm just going to show you with different types of plants. This is like the biggest plant in my house. It's probably my height while it's in the stand. I put these little cool lights on them. It matters more at night because it brings more light to the living room, but I think it looks really cool. So here I'm just going to show me continuing to drop off different plants in different places around the house, cleaning them, shaking them, getting them in their best shape, continuing to maintain them. So this is a ponytail palm, which is technically a succulent. It's probably the coolest succulent I have in the house. It fits really well with my elephant bookcase on top that I got as a housewarming gift. I just think it looks amazing. So I love it. Probably one of the more unique plants that I've actually like added to the house, and I continue to do it for the rest of my plants, and that's really a plant maintenance day with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know. Till next time, bye.